Oh no, I am late for school! May I come in, teacher?
Jerry, you're late again. When will you ever learn?
I am sorry, teacher.
Now go to your seat. All right, everyone, submit your homework.
Oh no, I totally forgot to do my homework.
Jerry, where's your homework?
I forgot to do my homework.
Go stand outside the classroom.
I am home, Mom.
Can you explain it for me?
I was just...
I have told you so many times to study, but you never take me seriously. Now go and complete your homework.
Why does study makes me so sleepy? Alright, I'll just play a game for a little while. Yay, I won!
The game was the only thing in his life that makes him feel good. His teacher, his friends, his mom make him felt like loser, but when he play game, he become a new and a happy person. And slowly he started getting more and more into the game.
I am home, Mom.
Don't forget to do your homework.
Okay, Mom. Yay, I won!
Jerry, did you finish your homework? Huh? I told you to do your homework, and here you are playing games?
Mom, I did half of my homework. Just a little bit is left.
That's enough! Today I'm putting an end to this game once and for all.
Mom, no! Mom, what have you done? This was the only thing that made me feel good, and you ruined it. Gaming competition? Hey, I want to participate in it.
You can go that way.
So you are gonna compete with me? You tiny little bug?
Game start. You won! Final round. Victory!
Huh? Is that Jerry? I'm so sorry, Jerry. I never tried to understand your feelings. I'm so sorry, Jerry. I never should have treated you that way.
It's okay, Mom.
Oh, Jerry.